Okay, guys, it's day 3, and Wollem is finally moving around. The first 2 days, he was just in that corner by his food. He's been eating, but he's, still scared and not used to the environment. But today, he's been moving around. I saw him go up and down. He's still a little scared, so I'm trying to stay away from it. But a little close up. Hi, Wollem. How's it going? Hi. Yep. There he goes. Yeah, he's still not used to the environment, but he's getting used to it. I was a little bit worried that he might get used to being antisocial, and they're a very social type of bird. So, but yeah, and then I'm having a little trouble with his cage because they'd promised me that it would I would have it by this weekend. Well, at first, before I got him, they said that they were gonna deliver it that day, but it turns out there was a problem, and I don't know. But they said they won't be able to deliver it by this weekend. Um, I guess it's okay because just in case he's sick, I won't have to worry about disinfecting the new cage or whatever. But as you can see, this is Mellow's traveling cage, and it's a little too small. I mean, it's big enough for him to kind of just um, move around a little bit. He can spread his wings there, but yeah. Um, but yeah, the good news is that he's moving around and he's getting used to the norm, whatever that means. But yeah, say hi, Wollem. Say hi, Wollem. Yep.
Good job, Mellow.